Are you looking for the top 5 best moonshine stills for beginners? Looking to make your own moonshine but don't know where to start? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Vivor 3-gallon still. The Vivor alcohol still is a 3-gallon kit that caught my eye right away, especially with its price of $84.42. If you want a solid, portable option for making your own whiskey, wine, or brandy at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its 3-gallon capacity allows you to easily ferment a decent amount of raw materials, perfect for family gatherings or just a fun weekend project. The stainless steel build means it's durable, and the copper tube enhances the vapor's flavor, giving your spirits a rich taste. Plus, it quickly cools down thanks to the built-in water pump and copper coil, ensuring you won't be waiting around forever for your alcohol to distill. The real-time thermometer is a game changer too. You'll know exactly what temperature your brew is at, which can be critical for getting that perfect flavor. Now, some people complained about the size being too small for larger batches. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, having a smaller still can actually be a great way to learn without feeling overwhelmed. It's a nice size that won't take up too much space in your kitchen. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner wanting to dive into home distilling without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're planning on hosting big parties regularly, as you might find the capacity limiting. At under $85, it's a pretty solid investment for newbies. Now, if the smaller capacity of the Vivor still bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Vivor 8-gallon still. The alcohol still 8-gallon is an upgrade from the previous model, and it's priced at $99.90. If you need a bigger capacity for your home distilling adventures, this is definitely worth checking out. This still boasts an impressive 8-gallon capacity, allowing you to distill up to 30 liters of raw material, which is excellent for those looking to produce larger batches of spirits. It features the same great materials as the smaller model, food-grade stainless steel and copper, which means you'll still get high-quality results. The speedy cooling system with its upgraded 2-keg setup is designed to save water while ensuring the distillation process remains efficient. The double display thermometer is another handy feature that keeps you informed during the entire process. Some users have reported that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how everything fits together efficiently. It might take a little patience, but it's a great option for those who want to produce more alcohol. This is perfect for you if you're ready to step up your distilling game and want to make larger batches for friends or gatherings. Skip this if you're still unsure about distilling, as the size might be overwhelming for absolute beginners. At just under $100, it's still a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for
Product number 3. Hydrometer Kit. The AOZ Libe Hydrometer Kit is a nifty accessory priced at $21.99. If you want to accurately measure your alcohol content while distilling, this is a must-have tool for beginners. This complete kit includes a triple-scale hydrometer, a test jar, and even a cleaning brush, making it super easy to monitor your fermentation progress. The hydrometer measures specific gravity, bricks, and potential alcohol, giving you precise readings to ensure your distilling process goes smoothly. It's especially great for homebrewers of beer, wine, or kombucha, as it helps you keep track of your alcohol content effectively. This is crucial for beginners who might be unsure of how much alcohol is produced during fermentation. However, some users mention that the hydrometer can be fragile and needs careful handling. Here's the thing, as long as you're cautious and handle it properly, it serves its purpose excellently and gives you the information you need to make great spirits. This is perfect for you if you're serious about tracking your brewing process and want to ensure quality in your distilling. Skip this if you think you'll only distill a couple of times, as it might feel unnecessary. For just $22, it's an affordable and essential tool for your distilling toolkit. Moving on to the next product, if you're looking for an in-depth guide to home distilling, you won't want.
Product number 4. The Joy of Home Distilling book. The Joy of Home Distilling book by Rick Morris is priced at $8.60. If you're looking for a comprehensive guide to get started, this book should be on your radar. This book walks you through the entire distillation process, from understanding different spirit types to fermentation techniques. It covers essential topics like yeast selection, distillation myths, and even legal considerations when making alcohol at home.
It's packed with practical advice to ensure you stay safe while working with flammable materials. The best part, it's written in a way that's easy for beginners to digest, making it a great starting point for anyone new to distilling. That said, some people might find the information a bit overwhelming if they prefer visual learning. Here's the thing though, having a solid understanding of the processes involved can greatly enhance your distilling experience, making this book worth the read. This is perfect for you if you want a solid foundation in home distilling and enjoy reading. Skip this if you're looking for a quick start guide and prefer hands-on learning. At under $10, it's an incredible value for the knowledge you'll gain. Now, if you're ready for something a bit more,
Product number 5, Oak Stills Column. The Oak Stills 2-inch Moonshine Still Column is priced at $148. If you're looking to take your distilling to the next level, this modular design could be what you need. This still column is perfect for larger boilers and has a modular design that allows for easy assembly and disassembly. It's compatible with a variety of components, such as a gin basket or reflex sections, which means you can customize it to suit your distilling needs. It's a great choice if you're looking to experiment with different types of spirits and flavors, giving you the freedom to create unique brews. However, the price point might be a bit high for absolute beginners. Here's the thing, if you're serious about distilling and plan to make it a hobby, investing in quality equipment like this can pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate distiller, wanting to expand your setup and create more complex spirits. Skip this if you're just testing the waters of home distilling, as it might feel like an unnecessary investment at this stage. While it's on the pricier side, the versatility... So, to recap, we explored 5 fantastic options for beginner moonshine stills. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Vivor 8-gallon still, because it balances capacity and price perfectly for someone ready to start distilling seriously. I'd recommend avoiding the Oak Stills column if you're just starting out, as it might be too much for beginners. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.